Blue, right in front of you. Press down, press down, press down.
Push down on it.
Yeah, hold it down. Hold it down. There you go.
I don't know.
It's in my way. Just push my car up.
Rock and roll. Go, go, go.
Oh, my car flew off the track.
I don't know. I pushed number one. He's slow.
My car keeps dying.
Okay.
Hold the pile right here.
I went.
Okay, who's orange? No one's pressing down.
That's right. I told him to pass the ball.
I'm stuck.
You gotta pass them. Right here. Pass them. Push the red button.
I did.
No, you stop. No, you just stop.
Comes around here.
There you go.
Wow.
Good job. All right, Blue, I got you back on the track. Ready, set, go.
I'm the one going around the
Oh!
There, I just saw somebody else. Somebody else is back out.
Smash back and crash.
Yeah, right. I just
Oh!
go off the track.
Oh, my car died.
Blue and yellow and red. Go, go, go.
Is that funny? I'm the only car on the track, Island. Stand up and watch now. I do. Or keeping track of my own car. Wow!
You're gonna have to turn them down, Ray.
Come on, Spencer, let's ride. That's right.